Simple Cooking, Simple Cooking Channel.
Get a medium-sized saucepan and put in just under 1 cup of sugar. Add a can of coconut milk, which is 400 mils, 250 mils of thickened cream or pure cream or whipping cream, 120 mils of milk. And have your heat on low, and we're going to bring this to a simmer. Just stir it in. Alright, this has been on for about 5 minutes. It's pretty much getting to a simmer. Not quite, but that's okay. Now get some vanilla beans and pop them in there. You always chuck vanilla bean in as well. So you just want to scrape some of the seeds off and then chuck the vanilla bean in there. Now we just want to bring this to the boil. Right, that's been brought to a boil. Turn the heat off. Now add a tablespoon of unflavoured gelatin. Mix that through. Now just leave this here for about half an hour or so. Just let it cool down a bit. Just get some small bowls or ramekins or anything you want. You can even just put it in a small glass. Instead of tipping it up, just eat it from the glass. Just pour it in. Just pop in the fridge for about 4 to 5 hours. That should be enough, or overnight. Once your panna cottas are ready and you want to make the caramel sauce, that's if you want a sauce or a caramel sauce, chuck in 30 grams of butter, 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar, and 100 mils of thickened cream. Just give it a stir until it's well combined. Now just pour your sauce into a jar or something and just let it cool before you serve up. Right, it's set. Well, now we've got to try and get it out. So we want to flip it upside down. See a little wobble? Yeah. And if you want any of that caramel sauce, make it. And then just get the caramel sauce. You can either pour it around it, or you can just pour it over the top. It's entirely up to you.